So here we are, we have the MAXVAC Plastic Wand kit. Now many people ask the question, why plastic? Well, there's many good reasons. With any vacuum, you need to make sure you have a clear airway so that you can vacuum as much as possible, as quickly as possible. When you have metal, if you hit it, damage it, anything like that, you can dent it, bend it. You're restricting your airflow, you're creating a blockage in the pipe. It means that any large particles get caught, they can block up your airway, and then you have to try and clear it out, push a broomstick down, try and deal with it. With these, if you do manage to break it, and they are very tough, you have a hole in it. Therefore you need to replace it, rather than carry on using it and actually causing strain on your motor. They are extremely tough. You can hit them on the edge of they don't break. Easy to push together, twist and lock. Now I ask you, why metal?